So how can you set the sound notification on a Google Calendar iPhone app? Let's explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the way that it works is that you can be using the Google Calendar app, all fine, right? So you can just open it up through the settings to look up the apps section at the bottom, and from those you can go to the Google Calendar, right? So you might also have like the Apple Calendar, so go to the Google one, and in there, you want to make sure that you go to the notifications like that. Tap on allow if you don't have it, and most definitely ensure that you have the sound enabled, right? Because without this section, your app will not be able to perform any sound notification, so you will not be like audibly notified about like events or invitations or anything else. So that's like how you can set the sound, right? So you can make sure it works. However, if you would like to change the sound, we don't have the ability to do it through the Google Calendar app, but we have the ability to change it on the Apple Calendar app. In the Apple Calendar, you can go to the accounts and you can literally just sign in with your Google events, like with your Google account in here, perhaps delete like all other accounts. And the point is that for the Apple Calendar, we can in fact change the different style of the sound notification. So we can go to the settings, sounds and haptics section, and part of that we have the calendar alerts, and you can of course change it for different sounds, even pick your own ones, right? So it gets the job done, but you have to go through the Apple's interface. So that's how it works on the iPhone. We cannot really do more in case you wanted to do that. So I really hope that I can explain to you. So let me know what you think. Subscribe for upcoming videos and explanations like this one, and I'll see you later.